Evening. Welcome back to PWTRN with your host, Mosey Along. And tonight on Dead Just Dessert, we got a little script going for you. It's about roadkill for dinner again on Dead Just Desserts. Roadkill for dinner again? His mother didn't blink. Better than eating microplastic cereal 3 times a day. The boy sighed. Yeah, Mom, I know. Welcome back to Dead Just Desserts, where the stories aren't sweet, but the irony is always served warm. Today's dessert is a little chewy because we're talking about what happens when the Endangered Species Act gets stripped down to the bone. And yes, it starts with dinner, partners. The boy pokes at the plate. Mom, why does everything taste like asphalt? She shrugs. Because the government decided animals don't need homes anymore, only bodies. He blinks. What? She nods. They changed the definition of harm, H-A-R-M. Habitat destruction doesn't count. He stares. So we can bulldoze anything as long as we don't directly kill anything? Exactly. He pushes the plate away. I suddenly miss the microplastics. On July 10th, 2026, federal agencies quietly rewrote the meaning of the word harm in the Endangered Species Act. For 50 years now, harm meant if you destroy the habitat, you're harming the species. Simple, logical, necessary. But now, harm only means direct injury or death. If you bulldoze the fire, or the forest in this case, but don't personally run over the woodpecker, you're good. If you drain the river, but don't physically grab the salmon, you're fine. Habitat loss, the number one driver of extinction, is no longer a violation. The boy looks out the window. Mom, where did the fire go? Along with the forest. She gestures at the construction site. Progress. And the animals? She sighs. They got their just desserts. Developers get fewer restrictions. Businesses get fewer permits. Landowners get fewer delays. And the endangered species, they get the crumbs or whatever left after the land is cleared. This rule resurrects a 1995 Supreme Court dissent, Justice Silicos, which argues that harm should only mean direct injury or death, not habitat loss, not starvation, not collapse. And now that dissent is policy. The boy pushes his plate away again. Mom, can we have something else tomorrow? She nods. Sure enough, if there's anything left. This has been Dead Just Desserts, where the stories aren't sweet, but the truth is always served cold. So remember, when the government wants to change the definition of a word, it's good for politics, but it's harmful to the environment. Stay alert, stay informed, and make sure your voice is heard in Washington, where all those supposed concerned environmentalists live. And I'll see you tomorrow.